Good morning everybody and welcome to a new episode of Force of Nature with myself HMK. It is the 1st of February 2017. We've had our votes in for people voting for their favourite game, and currently Force of Nature is third in the top playlists out of a current level games of 11. Okay, so this one's doing really well. I didn't think it would do really well, but it is. This is what people are liking, and so we're gonna do some more episodes with it. So we're having a look at this. We're just trying to get I think there's a new control button. Take all around E, and harvest all around is left alt. So we're gonna so that's quite good there. We're gonna just move along there and move along there. Press E, press E. So that's good there. Is it crafts? I can't remember how to plant seeds. Cancel there. Whoops. So we've got to remember how to do this. This is one of them that I don't often play because I didn't think it would do that well. But people are liking it, so we're gonna play it. So we're going to cancel that. This is map, seabed, build, encyclopedia. So manual crafting, close. Where's the? That's it. Yes. Right. So we're going to want to plant wheat, and we're going to go and do select, and we're going to do repeat last, and we're going to do repeat last. Okay, so we're going to check on our water. The well is done. Too far, come closer. So we're going to take all of those, press C twice. So I'm just wondering here, what we've got here. Coal smoker is done. So we'll take all of those. Bonfire. What recipes have we got? Fried meat, glowing embers. Do we have glowing embers? Yeah, we do have glowing embers. Jugs. No. So we're just going to close all of those then. Oh, cooking table. Recipes. Butter from milk. Requires mortar or mortar. Okay. Right, so we're not going to do any of those today. What we're going to do is we're going to close all these windows here. We're going to press Q, and we're going to say, right, create a cooking table. So this is what we're going to be doing. We are working on a cooking table. So we need to fry an egg and make some bread. So let's have a look. Recipes. Fried egg. So we need an egg, clay pan or iron pan. Okay, so let's go and get an egg, because we know where our chicken is, or hopefully we know where our chicken is. Can we not make a torch? Okay, so I don't think we can do that. So we're going to go to the crafting menu here. Cancel. I'm going to go to the anvil, do the recipes, and can we make a frying pan here? Nail, shovel, chain, needle, scissors. No. Blast furnace. Recipes. Also we'll take. We'll cancel that. We'll take all of that. So we'll move over to the bonfire. Recipes. Clay pan. So we need to go and find some clay. Okay, so we'll need to find some clay there. So where's clay? Is number 1? Don't think that's the digging stall, is it? Number 7 is the digging stall. So this is the digging stall here. There's 1. I think that's clay. So let's have a look at our inventory. So we got clay there, so that's good. So we're now going to go to the is it? No, that's I would bring up crafting table there. It should be I for inventory. So recipes there, clay pan, and we're going to select that, and we're going to say OK. I'm going to let that go. So the next thing is we need an egg. Okay, so press I, press the chicken, and we're going to feed. And hopefully we can get an egg quite quickly. We'll come back to that. I think we might as well feed the cow. Okay, we'll feed the cow. As don't know what it gets there. And we're going to look at Q again, and we're going to see what the next level is. We're going to see what we need to get there. Next level. We need gold coins, we've got gold coins, we need water, we've got that. Okay, so that's okay, so we can get level 6 shortly. That's not going to be a problem. So we'll go and get some water. So our egg is done, let's go and find our chicken. So press I, chicken, take all, hide. Okay, so we ain't gonna want more than that. Okay, so the cow's made some milk. Inventory, cooking table, recipes, fried egg. We need a pan. Okay, so the bonfire's done the clay pan. Fried egg, there we go. So we got that there. So what's the next? We've got that. Create cooking table, not complete. So map, craft, Q for quest. 1 egg, 1 bread. How do we make bread? So look at the cooking table. Bread. We need an egg. That's all we need. Close. Fried egg. Take all. What does that give us? 20 health in 15 seconds. Okay. So we need the chicken again. Okay, so info, chicken, feed, hide. What's these? What's selects? Right, so what about our barrel here? That's a nice new thing here, where we've got the fill button. I do like that. That's really nice. And then the take all. So that's good there. So what we've got there? Clay, tin. We've got stone, haven't we? Yeah. So we need to make another barrel, I believe. What do we need for a barrel? Okay, we're going to go and complete the egg first, and we'll have a look at making another barrel. Now, can we press? No, we can't. So, got to press I. Chicken is done. So we take all of that, and now we're going to go and make some bread. Bread. So I. Cooking table, recipes, bread, select. Okay, so we're just going to wait there because that's going to give us the next part there. Because we do need some barrels and stuff like that. We don't want to run around with all these bits and pieces here. We're going to have to see what is required there. Dumpty dumpty dum. Come on, bread, hurry up. Get that percentage down. There we go. There we go. And that's it. So we're going to take all of that. What does bread give us? 50 health in 20 seconds. 20 health in 15 seconds. So yeah, the bread is really good. So first of all, we're going to have a look at the quests. Get new level, get level 6. So we can do that quite easily. And we're gonna next level here. What is it? Level 6. Gold coins. So we're gonna take the gold coins. I want to have a look at what else is there. Oops, not that one, that one. Flour, 3 of 5 barrel. Okay. Flour, how did we make flour? Is it on the cooking table? No. Crafting table. No. Right, so we'll see you in the next episode, ladies and gentlemen, where we will get level 16. So, oh, too far. So we actually did the let's have a look. So we did on this one. Create a cooking table. Have fun, stay safe. Bye for now.